Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can summarize any book using ChatGPT. So let's start. Okay, so first let's go ahead and go to chat.openai.com, and this is going to take us to ChatGPT. Now, you need an account to use ChatGPT. So if you don't have an account, you can easily and quickly make an account in ChatGPT. All right, so say for example, you need to summarize a certain book. You can say summarize the book Outlive by Peter Attia. Okay. All right, so it is quite easy to do it. So here, ChatGPT is going to give you a summary of the book that you requested. All right, let's try another one. So here, let's try if you don't put the author. Okay, so you can say summarize the book Atomic Habits. Okay, so here it recognizes the author as James Clear, and that is also correct. Okay, so this is how you can use ChatGPT to help you summarize a book. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.